Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 1 Series. We go to menu, you've got connected drive there, onto connected drive, and then it's already you see there, connected drive store. You scroll down, manage mobile devices, click on manage mobile devices. You see Barry's phone there, so click on there, Barry's phone, Barry's iPhone 15 Pro. If I just click to the right, I'll just do that again. It's not actually showing an arrow to the right, but if you click on it or just tap to the right, it's the same thing as clicking on it, and you'll see here telephone, Bluetooth apps, connect device, delete device. I want to delete the device. That's it, it's gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 1 Series. First of all, we go to settings. It's already on Bluetooth, but if not, you find Bluetooth, onto Bluetooth, and then we watch out at the bottom. We go over to this menu, and then there you go, the different things we want. That's media, radio, navigation, connected drive, that's it. We want connected drive, and then we scroll down to manage mobile devices, connect new device, like so. Telephone, Bluetooth and apps. Telephone, it'll come up as BMW 68959. So we're just waiting here, it's thinking about it. It's thinking a long time about it, but probably the reason it is thinking a long time about it is I've just actually deleted this from here, so as I can show you how to connect it again. But there you go, BMW 68959. I've clicked on that. So pair, and then OK. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. That's a good sign. When that comes up, it means it's basically connected. And that's it. Barry's iPhone Pro. And also, if you go over here, or you go down to it, and then you tap right, you'll see it's also connected for phone, Bluetooth audio and apps. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2018 BMW 1 Series using your mobile phone. So we go to music, Apple Music, here we go. There's a record already there, but you'll see at the bottom, if I click there, that's on full blast, so that's a volume. You can either have iPhone speaker or it's connected to this BMW. That's what I want, the BMW, so that's working fine. This is it. We'll click play. Now go to media. That's on radio. So we click media again. That gives you then the choice of Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, Spotify and app, but I want that. That's what's playing. If I turn this up now, that's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2018 BMW 1 Series. Over here, if I click map there, it shows you where we are. I like driving with that on, especially if I'm in an unfamiliar place, because it shows me when there's a bend coming up. I don't drive fast, but if it's a country lane, you like to know what's ahead of you. So navigate. So navigation here, you've got quick search, set home address, recent destinations, address input, points of interest, address input. So dial it to P, R, and then if I knock down, it goes to numbers, and I want 5, 4, it's defaulted back to letters, and it's gone to E. So funnily enough, I want E, and now I want A. And then OK in the center, click OK. PR5, 4EA, yes, start route guidance. So I wind that down to the bottom, start route guidance.
Please leave the roundabout at the third exit onto Cambridge Street.
That's it.